Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to uncover the incredible health benefits of drinking clove water. Clove water is not only a delicious and refreshing beverage, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute to your overall well-being. Throughout history, cloves have been highly valued for their medicinal properties. They have been used in traditional medicine systems to address various health concerns. By infusing water with cloves, we can harness the potent compounds present in this spice and create a drink that offers a multitude of advantages. So get ready to explore the transformative effects of clove water on your health. While clove water can offer benefits, it must be consumed in moderates, 1 cup a day. Consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet. This is not a medical video, it's an educational purpose only. Clove water should not be replaced with other medications, and you should always check with your healthcare provider before consuming with other medications. Number 1. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Clove water possesses a secret weapon for your immune system. This aromatic elixir is packed with natural compounds that can strengthen your body's defense mechanisms and protect against harmful invaders. Cloves are known to contain powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals, which can damage cells and weaken the immune system. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, you can provide your body with a rich source of antioxidants to bolster your immune response. Additionally, cloves have antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fend off common infections. The active compound found in cloves, called eugenol, acts as a natural defense mechanism against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. By regularly consuming clove water, you can arm your body with natural defenses and support your immune system in its fight against pathogens. Number 2. Relieves digestive issues. Clove water is a beverage that has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. One notable benefit of drinking clove water is its ability to improve digestion. Cloves, the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, contain several compounds that can positively impact the digestive system. One way clove water aids digestion is by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food and facilitating nutrient absorption. By promoting enzyme secretion, clove water can enhance the digestive process, leading to better nutrient utilization. In addition to enzyme stimulation, clove water may also help alleviate common digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. These discomforts are often caused by poor digestion or imbalances in the gut. Cloves have carminative properties, meaning they can help expel excess gas from the digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort. Moreover, cloves possess antimicrobial properties that can combat harmful bacteria in the digestive system. The active compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol, have been shown to exhibit antimicrobial effects against various bacteria, including those that can cause digestive infections. By reducing the presence of harmful bacteria, clove water may help maintain a healthier gut environment. To make clove water, you can start by boiling water and adding 1 clove to it. Allow the water to simmer for about 10 minutes to extract the beneficial compounds from the cloves. Then, strain the water and let it cool before consuming. It's important to note that clove water should be consumed in moderation, as excessive intake may lead to adverse effects. A general recommendation is to consume 1 cup of clove water per day. Number 3. Supports dental health. Did you know that cloves have long been revered for their dental health benefits? Clove water can be a game changer for your oral care routine, offering a natural and effective way to maintain a healthy smile. Clove water contains a compound called eugenol, which exhibits potent antimicrobial properties. This makes it highly effective in fighting oral bacteria and reducing the risk of dental issues, such as cavities and gum disease. By incorporating clove water as a mouthwash or gargle into your daily oral hygiene routine, you can harness the power of eugenol to support your dental health. Moreover, clove water's analgesic properties can provide temporary relief from toothaches and gum discomfort. The soothing effect of clove water can help alleviate oral pain and promote overall oral well-being. Number 4. Manages blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health, especially for individuals dealing with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Clove water can be a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels and promoting optimal glucose control. Cloves contain compounds that have been shown to enhance insulin secretion and improve insulin sensitivity. These effects can contribute to better blood sugar regulation and lower the risk of blood sugar spikes and crashes. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can support your body's natural glucose management mechanisms. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing your blood sugar levels. Number 5. Enhances skin health. Get ready to unveil your radiant skin. Clove water offers an array of benefits for your skin, promoting a healthy and vibrant complexion. The antioxidants present in clove water help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin damage. By regularly consuming clove water, you provide your skin with a powerful arsenal of antioxidants to maintain its youthful glow. Furthermore, clove water's antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. This makes it a valuable addition to your skincare routine, whether applied topically as a facial toner or ingested to nourish your skin from within. Number 6. Aids weight management. Are you on a journey to achieve your weight management goals? Clove water can be an excellent companion on your path to a healthier body composition. Clove water contains compounds that can boost metabolism and aid in digestion. These effects can contribute to enhanced calorie burning and fat utilization, supporting weight loss efforts. Additionally, clove water's ability to curb cravings and promote satiety can help control appetite and prevent overeating. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, you can optimize your weight management journey and achieve a healthier body weight. Number 7. Reduces inflammation and pain. Say goodbye to inflammation and discomfort. Clove water possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation throughout your body. The active compound found in cloves, eugenol, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. By regularly consuming clove water, you can potentially experience a reduction in chronic inflammation, which is beneficial for overall well-being. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, including arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating clove water into your lifestyle, you can potentially find relief from pain and support your body's natural healing processes. Number 8. Improves respiratory health. Breathe easier with clove water. This incredible beverage has been traditionally used to support respiratory health and provide relief from respiratory conditions. Clove water's expectorant properties can help loosen phlegm and mucus, making it easier to expel and promoting clearer airways. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, you can support your respiratory health and experience relief from respiratory conditions, such as coughs, colds, and congestion. The expectorant properties of clove water help to loosen mucus and phlegm, making it easier to clear your airways and promote comfortable breathing. Moreover, clove water's antimicrobial properties can help combat respiratory infections. By drinking clove water regularly, you can give your immune system an extra boost in fighting off pathogens that may cause respiratory illnesses. And there you have it, my friends, the incredible benefits of drinking clove water. From boosting immunity and supporting digestion, to promoting dental health, managing blood sugar levels, enhancing skin health, aiding weight management, reducing inflammation and pain, and improving respiratory health, this powerful elixir offers a wide range of advantages. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, you can harness the power of this ancient spice and experience its transformative effects on your health and well-being. Remember, nature has provided us with a treasure trove of remedies, and clove water is one of them. But always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the incredible advantages of clove water, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our health and wellness explorations. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and embrace the power of clove water in your life. This is what happens, signing off. Cheers to your well-being.